Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so this question is asking us what hormone or blank hormone is involved in long term stress responses. And it's important before we solve this question to review what stress is. So, stress is the body's reaction to challenge or demand placed upon it. It's also helpful to think of probably short term versus long term. So, short term would be a short burst of energy, versus long term would be maybe a changed metabolic state. And so, as we're thinking about blank or what is released in a long term stress response, we're going to want to be thinking more about the long term metabolic response side of things. So, let's review our options here. Answer A is epinephrine. And we can go ahead and say this is not the correct answer. Epinephrine is synonymous with adrenaline. And if you've ever had a close call, whether it was in traffic or in a sport or whatever it might be, you probably felt that shot of adrenaline. And that is a short term stress response. Similarly, parathyroid hormone is not the answer. Parathyroid hormone is important because it helps control serum calcium levels, but it is not related to that long term stress response. Corticosteroids help regulate blood sugar, primarily. If you think of cortisol, which is kind of the prime example of a corticosteroid, it's a catabolic steroid that helps to get blood sugar accessible to cells. So, this is a potential option here. And then T3 and T4, these are more hormones produced by the thyroid. They help regulate basal metabolic rate. So we're talking basal metabolic rate, not a special adaptation. So we can again eliminate this answer. And that helps us to see that the correct answer is C. So when we're going through this, we can say that corticosteroids are the correct answer for this particular problem.